welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Ulit. So, hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video. And mag-ano ta ng buhok ko kay... Ano man guys. So, kakatapos ko lang nag-hotbat and mag-hair comb, mag-comb na tayo. Let's go!
A few moments later.
So guys, naka-ano na yung camera. Ayan. Ay, ayan na. Perfect. So, ayun mga ante, ito pala yung outfit ko. This is my outfit. I have this ribbon and I have this. Ayan. So guys, ayan pala si Jade. Here is Jade. Hello, baby Jade. Hi. Wow. Who's Wala pa si Mama. Wala pa si Mama dumating. Ayan.
A few moments later.
So guys, umuulan pala dito guys. And this is Baby Jan. Jan. Hi, Baby Jan. Hi. Uy. Hi, Baby Jan. Hi. Ang cute, di ba?